Hello students, good morning. In previous class, we have discussed about addition and subtraction. That is operation on large numbers. There are four operations, first addition, then subtraction, then after multiplication and division. We have already discussed about addition and subtraction. Then after we have done exercise 3A, the questions based on addition and subtraction, and today we are going to discuss about the multiplication of large numbers. Okay, the number to be multiplied is called multiplicand, and the number by which it is multiplied is called the multiplier, and the result of the multiplication is called product. Here you can see it, 2 4s are 8. Okay, here 2 is our multiplicand and 4 is our multiplier and 8 is our product. Okay, now students just see some properties of multiplication. Okay, first property is our commutative property. When you change the order of the factors, the product stays the same. See the example, 5 times 6 is 30. If you will change the order of 5 and 6, which are the factors you are multiplying, that will become 6 times 5. So 6 times 5 also you will get the product 30. The same product only you will get. So this is our commutative property. Then after, associative property. You can group the factors in n different way and still get the same product. See this example, only I have changed the bracket, but the numbers are same. I have multiplied 2 times 3 times 4. Okay, so I have given bracket here. That means inside the bracket first you have to multiply, then after with 2 you have to multiply, and here first 2 and 3 you have to multiply, then after with 4 you have to multiply the product. Okay, so just see what the product will come. 2 times 3 times 4. 3 and 4 is in bracket. So 3 4s are 12. 2 times 12. So the product is 24. Now here 2 and 3 is in bracket. Okay. So this one first you have to multiply. 2 times 3 means 6 and 6 times 4 means again it is 24. So students just see, you can group the factors in different way. So here we have done here in two different way, but the product is same. Here 24 and here also 24. Okay, if you will write 4 times 2 times 3 like this also, if you change the numbers, the places of the numbers, the same thing only you will get, which you have learnt in commutative property. Okay, now just see the identity property. In identity property, the product of any number and 1 is the number itself. That means when you will multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. Okay, the multiplicand only you will get. Now just see, 2 times 1 equal to 2 and 13 times 1 equal to 13. So here 1 is called the multiplicative identity in multiplication. Remember it students, one is called always multiplicative identity in multiplication. Okay, now see the fourth number property. It is zero property. Zero property means the product of any number and zero is equal to 0. That means in any number, if you'll multiply 0, you'll get 0 only. Okay, see here, 5 times 0 it is 0, and 69 times 0 it is 0. Any number, you can take any number, and if you'll multiply with that number 0, you'll get the product equal to 0. Okay, now students, just see in which topic we are discussing about multiplication of large numbers. Now here see multiplication of large numbers with 96,752. You have to multiply 364. Okay, let us start the multiplication. First, you have to write both this number like this in column wise. Okay, then after you have to start the multiplication. Now students, just see, first you have to multiply 4. This 4 is in ones digit. Okay, this 4 with this number 96,752. Okay, now just let us start. 4 2s are 8. I have written 8. Then after 4 5s are 20. Okay, so here 4 5s are 20. So carry 2 outside and write 0 here. Here I have carried 2. Okay, now 4 7s are 28. 28 plus which you have carried out, that one you have to add. So 28 plus 2, it is 30. Here I have written 0 and 3 carried out. Okay, then after 4 6 are 24. 24 plus which you have carried out, 3 carried out. So 24 plus 3, it is 27. So 7 you write here and 2 carry out here. Okay, then after 4 9s are 36. 36 plus which you have carried out, 2. 36 plus 2, it is 38. So here the number is 387008. You have multiplied 96,752 with the ones digit 4. Okay, now students, you have to multiply 6 with 96,752, which is in tens digit. Okay, so here one rule is there. Either you have to place 0 or cross mark in ones digit in next step. Okay, why you have to write 0 or cross mark? Here I have written this. See why I have given the cross mark. You can write 0 also, because you are multiplying the tens digit with this. Okay, that's why here you have to write either 0 or you have to give the cross mark. Okay, leave that space. Then after start the multiplication. Now just see, 6 2s are 12. 2 here and 1 I have carried out here. Okay, remember which you are carrying out, no, that one you have to add in next multiplication. Okay, then 6 5 ja 6 5 ja 30. 30 plus 1 is carried out. 30 plus 1, that is 31. 1 here and 3 carried out here. Okay. Then after, okay, then after which you have to carry it out? Now 6 7, 6 times 7 you have to multiply, it is 42. Okay, 42. Then after you have to add which you have carried out. What you have carried out? 3. 42 plus 3, it is 45. 5 is here and you have to carry the 4 out. Okay. Then after 6 6 are 36, 36 and this 4. 36 plus 4, it is 40. So 0 here and 4 here. Then after 6 9 are 54. 54 plus this 4 which you have carried out, that is 54. 54 plus 4, that is 58. Okay. Now just see, in 100 plus 3 is there and with 3 you have to multiply this number. Okay. Just see, 3 2s are 6. See, 3 is in 100 plus, that's why you have to leave or you have to write 0 or you have to give the cross marks in ones place and tens place like this. Okay. So 3 2s are 6. Then after 3 5s are 15. 5 is here, 1 you have carried out. Then 3 7s are 21. 21 plus this 1 equal to 22. 2 is here, 2 carried out. Okay. Then 3 6 are 18. 18 plus this 2. Okay. It is 20. 0 is here and 2 is here. Then 3 9s are 27. 27 plus this 2. Okay. It is 29. So with all these 3 digits we have multiplied this number. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to add all that. Okay. Now just see here, 8 and 0 plus 2, it is 2. 1 plus 6, it is 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, it is 17. 7 is here, 1 is carried here. 8 plus 1, it is 9. 9 plus 2, it is 11. 1 is here, 1 is here. 3 plus 1, it is 4. 4 plus 8, it is 12. 2 is here, 1 is here. 1 plus 5, it is 6. 6 plus 9, it is 15. 5 is here, 1 is here. 1 plus 2, it is 3. So students, just see, before that I said which is multiplicand? This one. And this one is our multiplier. And this is our product. And what is the product you got? 3,52,17,728. Okay. Now just see students, another way you can multiply here. Already you know how to multiply a single digit with any number. Okay. And standard 4 also, I think. So here you can write like this also. By multiplying also you can write here. Just see, first directly in this we have multiplied 4 2s are, 4 5s are, 4 7s are, like this. Okay, but here directly you can multiply like this, then after you can write it here with this first digit, then after with this second digit like this, then after the third digit. Okay, this digit with this number, and you can write here by leaving here ones place and here ones and tens place. Okay, and the same answer only you will get. Okay, so students, I hope all of you got it how to multiply the large numbers. And just your homework is from the example 5 to example 9 you have to practice the multiplication. Okay, and in next class, next video we'll discuss about the exercise. Okay, so students, that's all for today. Thank you.